Hello kids, what is your name? My name is Ali. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Which class are you in? I am in class 2. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. What do you like to do for fun? I like to play football. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a doctor.